Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the second intermediate grade for the first semester of this year. Our subject, as you know, is the English language from the book Super Goal 3. Our lesson for today is Unit 5. Is there any ice cream? This is the second part, number 2. Today we have listening, pronunciation, conversation, and about you. This whole presentation is prepared and it will be presented to you by Sultan Shahrani. So, first of all, thank you very much, all of you, for being with me. It's a pleasure to have a brilliant student like you. The second thing, I want to make sure that you understand our book is Super Goal 3. It is not the full blast, it is Super Goal 3, okay? The third thing, I want to ask you something. Everyone, are you ready to begin our lesson? Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, today we will learn number 1, listen to food ordering. Okay, so we have listening today about someone who is ordering some food. Number 2, pronunciation of plural S. How to pronounce the plural S. Okay, the third thing, conversation about ordering some food. It's a conversation that we will read. Someone who is trying to order some food. The other thing, the fourth one is answer questions about yourself. So we have some questions. We should answer them about ourselves. Okay, let's go to the first one. Listening. Listen and mark what Hamid and Aisha order for lunch. So we have Hamid here and we have Aisha. And they ordered some food. So we want to listen now and just to click or just to put a mark, for the things that they order. So at first we will listen to Hamid, conversation number 1, conversation A. And the second thing, conversation number 2 about Aisha, it is conversation B, okay? So listen everyone, listen.
Conversation 1.
Can I help you?
I'd like the grilled chicken.
With baked potato or fries?
The baked potato, please. And can I have a large soda?
Okay. Do you want any dessert?
Let me see. Yes, I'd like some vanilla ice cream. Conversation 2.
Would you like to order now? Yes, please. I want a pizza. What kind? Cheese and mushrooms. What size? Medium, please. Sure. Would you like a house salad? Yes, and an iced tea.
Very nice. Okay, let's see. What do you think? What did Hamid and Aisha order for lunch? Yes, it is for lunch. So what do you think? Let's start with Hamid. So what did he order? You listened to the audio and you heard 2, 3, or 4 things that he ordered. So what do you think? What is the first thing? Think. Exactly, it is chicken. Yes, it is. Chicken and baked potato. Yes, that's right. And soda. That's right. And the last thing that he ordered is number 4, ice cream. That's right. So he ordered chicken, baked potato, soda, and ice cream. Okay, this is Hamid. Okay, conversation number 2, the second conversation, is about Aisha and the person that he's talking the orders. Okay, so what do you think? What is the first thing that Aisha ordered? What is the first thing that Aisha ordered? Excellent, salad. This is the first thing. Salad and pizza. That's right. What else? Exactly. Iced tea. That's it. 3 things. Okay, salad, pizza, and iced tea. That's right. Let's go to the pronunciation. Listen to the pronunciation of plural endings, then practice. So today we'll talk about the plural S, which is the plural ending, and how can we pronounce it. So it's changing from word and to another word. For example, we say or we pronounce it as s, like drinks, desserts, cups, just like s. But these three words we pronounce it just like z, z, like eggs, vegetables, fries. This one is, this one z, but this one is z, is. Like, let's see. For example, juices, z, juices, sandwiches, dishes, dishes. Okay, so I want you to listen again to the sound and the words for all these three. Okay, listen, everyone, listen.
S. Drinks. Desserts. Cups.
Z. Eggs. Vegetables. Fries.
Uz. Juices. Sandwiches. Dishes.
Okay, very nice. So you have to be careful with this one. So it's not all the words that we put it in plural, they are s, like s. No, sometimes z, and sometimes z, his. Okay, very nice. Let's go to the next. Now we have a conversation between Server and Brandon. I want you to listen to this conversation between the server and Brandon, and we will get back together to do some questions, okay? Listen, everyone.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like to start with an appetizer. Do you have any calamari?
I'm afraid we don't have any, but we have some great grilled shrimp.
How big are they?
Oh, they're giant, sir.
Okay, I'll have them.
And what would you like for your entree?
Let me see. I'll have the steak. What does it come with?
It comes with a baked potato or a salad.
The salad, please.
How do you want your steak?
Medium rare.
Anything to drink?
Some water. No ice, please.
Here are your shrimp, sir. Enjoy.
Very nice. Excellent. So this is the conversation, as we said, between the server and Brandon. You know, I'll read them again for you just to listen again, and we will go to the next thing, which is some exercise that we will do, okay? The server, are you ready to order? Yes, please. I'd like to start with an appetizer. Do you have any calamari? I'm afraid we don't have any, but we have some great grilled shrimp. How big are they? Oh, they are giant, sir. Okay, I'll have them. And what would you like for your entree? Let me see. I'll have the steak. What does it come with? It comes with a baked potato or a salad. The salad, please. How do you want your steak? Medium rare. Anything to drink? Some water. No ice, please. Here are your shrimp, sir. Enjoy. Okay. So now we have your ending. So what is Brandon's response? When the server, listen to this one, the last one. When the server gave Brandon the shrimp, what do you think? What is the response that Brandon said to the server? So, what is Brandon's response? Is it number one, these are your large shrimp? So it means that they are small, not that big. Okay. Number two, if these are giant shrimp, imagine the small ones. Number three, how big is my steak? Or maybe you want to add one of yours. What do you think? Which one you will choose? For me, you know, I will say number three. How big is my steak? Okay. We have a real talk. When someone is saying, let me see, it means I want to think. This is a way to have more time to answer. So, someone asks you something, okay? You will say, for example, let me see. So, you want to think. You want more time to think. Just like this one. Let's see. Okay? And what would you like for your entree? So, he wants to think. Brandon wants time to think. So, he will say, let me see. So, he wants more time just to think, just to take a look. Okay? The second one, I'll have. It means I want when ordering food. When you are in a restaurant and you're saying, I'll have a drink, I'll have water, I'll have, for example, a salad. It means I want, just like this one. Let me see, I'll have the steak. So he wants the steak. Okay? Very nice. About the conversation, number one, what does Brandon want as an appetizer? What does he want? He wants something as an appetizer. To start with. What do you think? Let's go back. Take a look. Exactly. So he wants calamari. He wants to order calamari. But there isn't any calamari, okay? Very nice. So number one, we will say he wants some calamari. Number two, what does he order as a main dish? What does he order as a main dish for the main dish? What do you think? Do you want me to go back? Take a look. And what would you like for your entree? Let me see. I'll have the steak. Exactly. So number two, he orders the steak. Exactly. Number three, what does he want with his steak? He wants something with his steak. So what is it? Take a look. With the steak. I'll have the steak. What does it come with? It comes with a baked potato or salad. The salad, please. Okay? He wants the salad. Exactly. So we have to say number three, he wants the salad. Number four, what would he like to drink? He wants to drink something. What is it? What does he want to drink? Take a look. Anything to drink? Some water. Exactly, some water. No ice. Without ice. Water without ice. So number four, he would like some water with no ice. Number five, does he ask for any dessert? What do you think? Let's go back. Can you see anything about any dessert? No, nothing. So we have to say, no, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Okay, very nice. Okay, now we have an evaluation about you. So those are 5 questions. I will ask you these 5 questions and I want you to answer them about yourself. Okay, you answer them about yourself on your book and I will answer these about myself here. Okay, so I will ask you first. Number 1, do you like to eat out? I'm asking you. Do you like to eat out? What do you think? Do you love to eat out? You enjoy to eat out? What do you think? Very nice. You know, for me, yes, I do. Yes, I like to eat out. Of course. Number 2, what kind of ethnic restaurants are there in your country or in your town? Sorry, in your town. So, what kind of ethnic restaurants? We said the ethnic restaurant, it means restaurant that related to a country or a place. For example, we say the Mexican food, okay? The Mexican food, they're related to Mexican, okay? People, to Mexican people. They do it in their country. So what do you think? What do we have or what do you have in your town? Tell me. Very nice. So for me, in my town, I find Chinese, Hindi, Lebanon, American restaurants, all these restaurants, I have it here in my town. Number three, do you like to try different kinds of food? What do you think? Do you like to try different kinds of food? Very nice. For me, of course I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I like to try different kinds of food. Okay, I love to experience many kinds of food. Number four, what foods do you like best? What foods do you like best? What kind of foods do you like best? What do you think? What kind of food that you like? Very nice. So for me, I like the Hindi food. Hindi food, I love them. Number five, what are the most popular foods in your country? Of course, we are in the same country. So for Saudi Arabia, there is a famous one, a famous meal or a food that we have it in Saudi Arabia, which is kabsa. Kabsa, exactly. It's very famous in our country. So what about you? If you are outside Saudi Arabia, out not inside Saudi Arabia, so tell us what is the most popular food in the country that you are in. What do you think? What is it? Very nice. Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go to the next. Today we learned number one, listen to food ordering. Number two, pronunciation of plural S. Number three, conversation about ordering some food. Number four, sorry, answer questions about yourself. So this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much, all of you, for being with us. This is Sultan Shahrani. I hope I see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.